2013 have seen a transition of maturity level by MIMOSian in respectively on the knowledge and skill of IP. We have seen more hands-on involvement by the lab's management on evaluation of IP disclosures, and we have also witnessed this year a total of 163 IP disclosures were submitted in the IP management system. And from these numbers, we have acquired a total number of 120 patent files as of December 2013. So this actually mark the next achievement of MIMOS IP filing in Malaysia. And from these numbers also this year, we have witnessed a total of 102 PCT filings that we have achieved. Apart from that numbers, we have also seen 42 patents have been granted to date, and we hope to get the balance of the numbers to complete 50 patents granted by this year before the 31st of December. And we have also achieved 6 applications for industrial design and 2 trademark application as well. So basically those are actually the numbers that we have achieved this year. WIPO ranking for MIMOS have actually, as per the announcement made during the MIMOS prestigious award night, MIMOS have acquired the next level of achievement, whereby we have been ranked number 6 among the top government and research institute in the world. And comparing to last year, where MIMOS have achieved a rank number 7, I believe that the next ranking for MIMOS will be coming in the next 2 years' time, where we hope that MIMOS will be able to push its ranking up to the top 3 in the same field. And apart from that, the Global Innovation Index 2013 have also reported that Malaysia innovation ranking has also increased and became one of the top players with a high innovation ranking index in this region, okay, amongst the upper middle income countries. And these have actually a real leaping stone for Malaysia, because within the upper middle income countries, China is also included in the same group. And it was like surprisingly to see that Malaysia index have been ranked top of those group. And I believe this is also partially due to the contribution of the innovation achievement that MIMOS have acquired in the WIPO ranking list. The biggest challenge that we face in 2013 is actually something that is due to the new experience that everyone in MIMOS has, I think, have acquired. We are looking at more participation from everyone, especially in the management level, to be involved, to be hands-on on the evaluation and to look at the quality of each of the IP disclosures that is produced by the lab. Of course, in those process, in coming to developing the quality for the IP disclosures that we have produced, there will be some teething problems and whatnot, but we have actually been able to now identify what is the cost factor that contribute to this teething problem, and I believe that next year we are going to come up with new programs that will help to overcome these problems. But on the overall, I'm looking at a higher accountability and responsibility performance coming from the lab, and to me I see that this is actually a very positive sign that MIMOS IP maturity level have increased tremendously throughout the years. As usual, every year the target will be increased. So it will be a new expectation that all of us will be able to contribute to the target that is going to be set by the management. Where we are looking at actually is that 2014 onwards, to drive the 10NP productivity on the IP disclosure. As of now, we have actually been looking at a total of 1,595 IP disclosures cumulatively that is produced by the MIMOSian. So we hope by the end of the 10MP period, we will be able to produce a total of 2,000 IP disclosures by MIMOSian. So to me, I believe that nothing is impossible, because MIMOS have gone beyond all the targets that have been set, and I believe that MIMOSian can or would be able to achieve this new target. Apart from that, we are also looking at three strategies. We are looking at internal strategy, we're looking at the national strategy, and we're looking at international strategies. On the internal strategy, we are looking at, of course, increasing the quality of the IPs that we produce, and we're looking at, number one, we're looking at partnering with the lab. We want to be partners with the lab with respect to the increasing demand on commercialization and monetization activities. So we want to be a partner to the lab to assist them to increase their knowledge, their skill, and also we are also looking at collaboration with my IPO next year to bring on board a few patent examiners to assist us in increasing the skill and expertise among MIMOSian in evaluating and improving our patents. And we are looking also at some projects to reduce the quality problems that is faced now. And we are also looking at a project on injecting the granted patents that we have acquired. At the moment, we have actually achieved about a total of 109 granted patents. So we are looking at positioning these granted patents into the monetizing and commercializing platforms. Okay? And at the national level, we are looking at participating in my IPO new projects next year, which is they are bringing on board the IP marketplace. My IPO have signed a contract or a membership with the Hong Kong IP trading platform, and they are planning to bring Malaysian IP to these trading platforms. So this is actually a good opportunity for MIMOS to look into the new business model of how to trade our IPs at the international level. At the same time, we have to look also and to consider the national ranking that we have acquired, and looking at ways of how to sustain this ranking, if not to move it further up the index. And also, by doing this, we are looking at tapping the strength of MIMOSians our innovation sectors, our commercialization sectors, on how to actually to position the value of MIMOS IP at the international platform.